I am with Mr. Devanayan. He is the director of Tholamai and he has done phenomenal work in ICDS and Anganwadi in Tamil Nadu for several years now. Really appreciate your work that we were just talking about. So can you tell me briefly about Tholamai itself? What is the objective of Tholamai and what you've been working on?
Tholamai means solidarity, promoting right-based culture in the community. Promoting right-based culture means that we want that our culture, normally our mode is welfare-based approach. We need right-based culture. For that we are making a right-based culture approach in the community. This is our core aim, object and our work area.
How did you get interested in ICDS and what did you do?
Very important age group of the life, that is early childhood care education age, that is 0 to 5 years. That is a very important, even that -0 also, from the pregnancy to 5 years. There's a lot of schemes are there, but there is not it enough, that is not adequate, that is not using, that not implementing properly in all the stages. That is ICDS means a very good project for initiated by the government of India in 1972 onwards. It's a universal phenomenon, not only in a well-developed country. In European countries, you're going to visit early childhood care center is a very excellent centers. In the below the 5 years age, there is no caste, there is no class, there is no all children only in the early childhood care center. But here in India, that is totally those are vulnerable people's family children only. They are in that thing in the mindset. They are saying that providing food in the centers. It's not only one of the program is a providing food. They have a lot of 15 to 16 programs in the Anganwadis. One is that early childhood care education, early childhood care and protection education, and then health education and stimulative education, and then care of the children health, not only children health, their environment also. That very important concept is child friendly environment and child protective environment.
In 2011, you have conducted a survey of 500 Anganwadi centers in 20 districts in Tamil Nadu, and as a result, you have found massive discrepancies in how the program is implemented, and then you filed a PIL in the High Court. What happened when you filed the PIL?
Yeah, on the time that the government of Tamil Nadu totally against us. You are only getting 500, you taken 500 centers, you are blaming 55,000 centers. I said no, we are a sample, we are a very small organization, we are taking only 500 centers. It is we are not blaming, we are accusing the government. We want the quality and adequate system in the ICDS, Integrated Child Development System. So then the government will not take any initiatives. Then we filed in the public interest litigation in High Court of Madurai High Court bench. Immediately that two-member bench, they ordered Tamil Nadu government to first study all Anganwadi centers, to initiate them, provide own centers. You know that ICDS centers
instead of renting
in the very small houses. Even you can look at in the Chennai cities, in the 150 square feet, they are running the Anganwadi centers.
50 children.
50 centers, 17 children. 70 children also in this space. There is no adequate water supply. There is no using of toilets. There is no health consciousness. There is no very paka kitchen items. There is lot of violence. So immediately government of Tamil Nadu taken initiatives to sanction 250 crores. After that, initiating more than 200-300 new centers in the infrastructures, and then appointing on the time one of the stay was in the High Court of Chennai, appointing the new Anganwadi staff. The stay was vacated by the High Court. Then they are appointed more than 1,000 Anganwadi workers. This
so
is not
as a direct result of your survey, the court has made sure the government actually allocates 250 crores, and those 250 crores have been spent on improving the infrastructure of Anganwadis and adding new Anganwadis.
Yes, of course.
And that is a huge victory, and thank you so much for working on behalf of us. What are the other issues that Anganwadi should be addressed in your opinion? Most important issues, two most important issues.
Yeah, very first important, that is allocation of fund is very less. So that is a very important thing. 64% of Indian mothers are anemic. So the children more of the coming to Anganwadi is more anemic children. Suppose this allocation of funds for that removal of malnourishment, it's not enough. They are providing for per children for food. It's around everything it comes under 1 rupee. So for they're spending vegetables around 30 to 35 paisa. It's not enough to adequate allocation of funds. They are thinking that they are not taken care of importance of that ages. That is very important. Another one thing is that they are thinking that nursery school is that better, but nursery school is the total fundamental rights of the children. We need the strengthening the early
Denial of rights.
denial of the children. The early childhood care and education is the basic right of the children. In the ECG, in the structure, we want early childhood care and education, not in the schemes. It comes to Early Childhood Care and Protection and Education Act. That only provide all things. From the act only we will get adequate funding. From the act only we will get lot of good things for the Anganwadi centers.
Thank you very much for your work, sir. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and we hope that ICDS will help eliminate malnutrition and make our children ready for the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.